Howdy, dudes and dudettes. So like today I've got this box here, it's got some headphones in it. Let's get it open. I see a cable. And so that's cool. I actually picked the right cable. I was actually afraid I didn't. It's just 2.5 balanced. This cable triggers me. It's like the most expensive cable I think I've ever got in my entire life. It costs more than a lot of headphones. And I mean a lot. It costs more than like my number, I don't know, 2 and 3 headphones. So it's like $400 cable. So that's like a QDC-ish connector, maybe? And, hang on a sec. Well, white balance, engage. Okay. Yeah, that was totally screwed up. All right, so, well, it's, yeah. Looks nice. $400 my ass, but it's pretty cool. Ha! Okay, this is the chin slider, and that's the splitter. Frick yeah! I can't stand heavy splitters and chin sliders. This is optimal. Okay, I didn't expect that at all. Cool. It's just a little like shrink wrap thing. Perfect. Killing it. All right, maybe I won't be too triggered about this here cable that is $400. It's kind of like gray and silver, something like that. Terminated in a 2.5 balanced. I mean, like, I am really not a cable guy, but I feel like I won't break this, which makes me quite happy. I do break cables a lot, so cool. All right, let's move on. Oh wait, what am I looking at? Cable so far. This is a MEST. Let's see. Come on, focus, you jerk. Whatever. MEST. So what we have here is the Universal Melody International MEST in a box. And that's the box. And by the way, I have obviously not unpacked this at all, so you are seeing it for the first time just like I am. Oh. Very nice. Must be things in here. Okay, so got some tips, which I am fumbling around. Shh. I think these are sealed, whatever. Stock tips. So we got, it's really hard for me to compare these with anything. They're actually interesting. Really hard rubber inner core and really, 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 really soft like silicone, probably. All right. Cool. Let me zoom in a little. I'll just toss them back in there. Comply. TS. TS. Medium. Okay, medium. Okay, TSX 500. So these are the T500 size that complies, which is awesome because I have more of these. So cool. And then we have 500 with the wax guard. Wax guard is complete fail, so I'll just probably cut that out with my little X-Acto knife. Forget those wax guards. I don't have wax problems. And these are large. I can tell that right away. Large complies. Very cool. Got a little cleaning cloth. And I tossed the rest of the tips. That's it. All right, cool. Check this out. By the way, this case is really nice. If you like to stick this in a backpack or something, it ain't gonna smash your stuff up. So, a couple little compartments in there. I don't know if you can see that, but I like it. It's strong enough to where it won't smash anything in there. So cool. Got some headphones, and they ran out of the blue, so I got red. And quite frankly, my eyes don't have ears, so shouldn't matter. Whoa, these guys are stuck. Wow, they really, let me zoom in. About there, yeah, sure. So they really go to a lot of trouble to wrap these up, which is cool. I don't want to see any scratches on my mests. Jeez, they really spare no expense with the wrapping. Come on. I'm usually better at ripping things apart. There we go. All right. These are Universal Melody MEST in red and whatever we call this. Hang on. I'll get there. I always like to look at the drivers inside of headphones, and I can't see anything in these, which is a bummer. But extruded 2-pin, titanium nozzle, carbon fiber shell, Yeah, carbon fiber, no kidding, man. The size strikes me as being medium, not large. I've got large headphones, and these are not like that. These strike me as being about a medium sort of profile. And they're a little prettier than I was expecting. I don't know what I was expecting. Pictures basically on these don't look that good. But you can see the nozzle profile there. I have no sound impressions because these are brand new out of the box as of a minute ago, or 2 or 3. Gorgeous, actually. And carbon fiber build, that's got to be better than your average like acrylic or whatever, you know, resin type of build. I do like how the plate is like rather flat. Some IEMs really poke this out and makes you look like Dumbo-y. So if I can get a good fit on these, they should look good, at least in my ears. There we have it, a Universal Melody MEST unboxing with the premium cable in red and carbon, I guess, maybe. And very pretty. I like the presentation, it's not bad. Box is nice. Yeah, probably ought to listen to them a little bit. Whoa. Right on, folks. Have a great day.